In front of me is OPPO F11 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by launching your home screen settings. To do that, you need to hold your device's display and hit settings at the bottom right corner. Now you need to scroll down to hit set icon style. Then select custom. Scroll down to access icon slider and adjust it. You can see preview at the top. To save your changes, hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!